Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Land Rover Defender 90. This Defender is powered by a 3-litre diesel engine that produces 246 brake horsepower with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It's finished in this lovely silver paintwork with black styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on the Defender include keyless entry, rear tinted windows for passenger privacy, and a detachable tow bar. Coming into the boot, and the Defender offers adequate space for everyday use, which can be extended through the folding rear seats. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this lovely leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls and USB ports. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with power adjustment, alongside other features such as USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control with a speed limiter and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access various other vehicle features. Beneath the display you find your car's climate control system with heating and cooling functionality for your front seats. There are a range of terrain settings available for you to choose from. This Defender comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your Panoramic Sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Land Rover Defender 90 that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.